Solve 25t squared equals 1. We have a quadratic equation because of the t squared, so we're going to use the principle of zero products. We begin by getting a 0 on one side of the equation. Subtracting 1 from both sides, we have 25t squared minus 1 equals 0. And then we want to factor. 25t squared minus 1 is a polynomial with two terms, and each term is a square. It is a difference of squares. So we can factor this as 5t plus 1 times 5t minus 1. And that must equal 0. Using the principle of zero products then, we have 5t plus 1 equals 0, or 5t minus 1 equals 0. Solving for t, we have 5t equals negative 1. Dividing both sides by 5t equals negative 1/5. Or, solving on this side, we have 5t equals 1, adding 1 to both sides. And we divide both sides by 5, we have t equals 1/5. Both 1/5 and negative 1/5 check in the original equation. So we can say the solutions are 1/5 and negative 1/5.